This moose out here, I just can't get rid of. It's this cow. It came right up to me, and I basically had to spook it away. So, got a lot of photos of that cow. Way back there now. Hello, good morning. My name is Jim Payne, and I've been a photographer here in the Yampa Valley for about 7 years now, because actually I got a reminder on my Facebook account of the first actual video that I created with the little itty bitty Instamatic Samsung camera, which is 7 years ago here in late July. Here this morning, I'm here at the end of the month, and we are doing moose photography. So we're out here in North Park, west of Walden, and we are moose hunting with a camera. Now, if you're going to be out photographing moose, you got to make darn sure that you're in an area with a lot of space where the animal can see. If you're photographing brown bear or grizzly, moose is right there, second category, which could really stomp you and kill you if you're not careful. So you want to make sure you don't startle the animal. If you're going to photograph moose, by all means, have plenty of space. And when you're watching the marsh, which I'll show you in just a bit, when you see the moose come in, you're going to have a lot of time to photograph the moose. But you're not with your camera down in the marsh waiting for the moose. Because the last thing you want to do is startle the animals. The last thing you want to do, especially if it comes in from the other side of a willow bush where you're sitting with your camera. So I'm out here in a big meadow under an aspen in the shade, just chilling and taking my time, waiting for the moose. But I present no threat to the animal. I'm not going to startle it. It's going to be down in the marsh, or if it happens to come out around me, I have meadow, probably 2 acres of meadow all the way around me where the animal can see me. And if there's anything I need to do, take precautions, I can go from there. But the moose, obviously, if I'm not startling the moose, I'm going to be good. So that's my advice to you. Don't go down in the marsh to photograph moose. Okay, my camera equipment that I do use, I shoot 2 different cameras, DSLRs. This one here, today, what I do all my wildlife photography with is a Canon 90D, and I'm shooting a Tamron 100 to 400 lens, and I shoot manual because I've got to, actually with the DSLR camera, I don't need to have all the colors and everything in my viewfinder. When I know my recipe, what I'm going to shoot, I look at the camera, I want my ISO to be somewhere around 1,000 to 400, somewhere in there. This is somewhat of a slow lens anyways. I'm shooting anywhere from 6.3 f-stop all the way to 8, somewhere in there. So, and the battery in a DSLR will last you all week if you're not there pixel picking or what have you.